Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make a butter slime. So the ingredients that we're going to need are glue, air dry clay, it could be any color, a bowl, mine is a container, and something to mix it with. So let's get started. First we're going to add the desired amount of glue. After adding our glue, we're going to add a little bit of water. Then we're going to mix it for a while. After that, we're going to add our activator. Add it a little bit at a time. When you can see it sticking on the side, you can go ahead and knead it with your hands. If it's still a little bit sticky, add a little bit more of activator. If your slime is hard, you can add a lotion, like mine, because mine is hard. Then just knead it. Now we're going to add our air dry clay. But before that, I'm going to shape this and turn it into something else. So make the clay into a triangle. It's not a perfect triangle, but that's okay. So now I'm going to shape this slime into a triangle. Now, can you guess what it looks like? If you guessed a YouTube logo, then you're right. Here is the finished product. Now for the ASMR. That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys!